Stain Remover under the microscope. Clorox Stain Remover is a cleaning product manufactured by the Clorox company. It's designed to effectively remove stains from various surfaces, including fabrics, carpets, upholstery, and hard surfaces like countertops and floors. The product typically contains active ingredients such as hydrogen peroxide or bleach, which help break down and lift stains from the surface. Clorox stain removers are available in various forms, including sprays, gels, and liquids, each tailored for different types of stains and surfaces.